ム見て。ゆうきさんがピアノコンクールで優勝したよ。あ、ほんとだ。すごい。来月2日にコンサートがあるよ。行きたいです。チケットを買うことができますか？予約してみるね。
Now, here's what it means line by line.
The news Mia found concerns the pianist that Tam admires, Yuki. Tam and Yuki did volunteer work together in Vietnam.
タム見て。
Tam, look.
ゆうきさんがピアノコンクールで優勝したよ。
Yuki just won a piano competition.
Tam sees for herself.
あ、ほんとだ。
Oh, you're right.
すごい。
That's fantastic.
And that's not all. Mia says,
来月2日にコンサートがあるよ。
He's giving a recital on the 2nd of next month.
Tam doesn't hesitate even a moment.
行きたいです。
I want to go.
チケットを買うことができますか？
Can we buy tickets?
Mia replies,
予約してみるね。
I'll try booking them.
Yuki has been on Tam's mind for a long time. I'm sure she's happy for him. Today's key phrase is, can we buy tickets?
チケットを買うことができますか？
If you memorize this pattern, you'll be able to ask whether you can do something you want to do.
Let's examine it in detail. チケット is ticket. 買うことができますか means can we buy? It's made by following the verb 買う to buy with ことができますか Today's point is the dictionary form of a verb plus ことができますか
Dictionary form means the basic form of a verb, right?
That's right. The verb 買う to buy is in the dictionary form. Attaching ことが to that form and then adding できます indicates that something is possible. できます is the must